everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. I hope you guys are doing well and are really thriving wherever you are. In today's video, we are going to be looking into what is next in terms of your career, what energies are surrounding your career, and what is it that you can do in order to gain the success that you really want for yourself. You have 3 piles in front of you. Please pick one that really speaks to you, and then we'll start with pile 1. Hello, and if you've picked pile 1, then this is what's coming up next for you in terms of your career. We have oracles and we have tarot as well, but first of all we will take up your tarot cards. So from your tarot cards you have the King of Pentacles, you have 10 of Wands, you have the Ace of Swords, 3 of Cups, very nice. Oh, you guys are on a roll. You have 9 of Cups and you have 3 of Wands. All right, very interesting. First of all, I really see you guys making progress when it comes to your career, okay? Lot of new opportunities are now going to be presenting itself. So especially for people who want to change their jobs, move to better jobs, opportunities are going to be coming up for you, especially in the next 2 to 3 months, okay? Especially be on the lookout for jobs that are sort of out of your residential state, out of your residential city. In fact, going for those opportunities can actually help you when it comes to your career. Either way, you are really taken care of, okay? And also what is happening is you're also gaining a lot of clarity. You are finally coming to an understanding as to what you want to do, not only now but in terms of the long-term future as well. Also for people who want to start their own businesses, in the upcoming days you will be getting new ideas. In fact, a lot of people will now show up in your life who will assist you when it comes to having your own business, okay? That is also coming up. Especially for people with business opportunities, having a partnership business can be more of a useful thing for you rather than going for business all on your own. Also, there is a wish fulfillment aspect. So especially for people who've been waiting for something specific to happen when it comes to your career, that may actually happen, and that may actually happen very soon for you. So this can be in terms of getting a job offer from a place that you've been always wanting to work, or in certain cases this can actually be, getting a promotion on work, especially since you have the 3 of Cups showing up as well. But also financially, you are gaining a lot of rewards when it comes to your work. There is also a sense of recognition for having done something well, and almost there is sort of a completion. So for people who have projects pending, I see them getting completed in quite a short while, in fact, okay? And especially in certain cases, you may actually get an unexpected source of income. You may not be sort of expecting a promotion, but that promotion comes and it sort of brings with it a lot of perk, okay? It can be in terms of salary perks for certain people. It can also be getting a car along with it, or getting a residential place along with your work area. That is also something that is really showing up for you. Either way, especially because of your career, your finances are getting very strong. That is showing up for you. One thing you need to be aware of is your responsibilities are also going to go very much higher. Like you will actually be taking up a lot of burdens. In some cases, you could sort of increase your own burdens. Like you will decide you want to take up a lot, like you want to learn something from here, and hence you want to do this in addition to what you're doing. So that is also very much a possibility, okay? In certain cases, this can also be going back to school to learn something, and as a result, your responsibilities are a lot more than usual. In fact, there is also a chance for a part-time employment to show up for you along with a full-time one, okay? So you working multiple jobs is also very much a chance out here. One thing I do need to stress for you, pile 1, is you need to sort of give yourself a certain amount of time to relax, because if you do not relax, the burden can be a little bit too much, and then you'll sort of come to resent it slightly, okay? And again, if you get a promotion, your responsibilities increase. So you really need to be upping your health game is also something that I'm really, really going to tell you. Don't ignore your well-being, don't ignore your health is something that I'll really be telling you out here. But again, your pattern of working is also going to be undertaking a lot of changes. Now this is something you can actually be doing on your own, or this also may be your company dictating certain changes that you need to require to bring about in your work setting. Okay, that is also very much a possibility. Let us look into your oracles. Now you have the card of the traveler. So this really tells me you may also have to travel because of work, and especially if you're wanting to pick up a new job, like having a job in a different city, in a different country is very much on the cards. In certain cases, this can actually be completely leaving one area of work and moving into something completely different. Okay, like for example, you may actually be an MBA student and you decide you no longer want to work here and you actually want to go into something completely different, like say entertainment. Okay, so that is also very much a possibility. So I would really tell you to remain flexible, because no matter which direction you're going, you are heading exactly where success is finding you. So be slightly flexible and be slightly open to all the possibilities that are going to be open towards you. The next one that you have is you have the frog spirit. So this is actually telling me that you need to sort of clear out some burdens, especially if people who have certain work pending, who have projects pending, or who have files pending. You may actually have to sort of put in extra effort towards it and finally complete that project. Also, let me tell you, energy wise, you need to keep your work desk clean, and also do some saging or use Palo Santo or something. But little bit of a clutter cleansing is something that you really need to do. In certain cases, the clutter can actually be in your mind. Like if you don't have clarity as to what you want to do, where you want to end up in life, then it is just something like you are going in circles. So it is important for you to have a clear plan here and sort of not leave those empty spaces for things to just happen on their own. Okay, be clear, be specific in order for you to grow in exactly the right way possible. Okay, that's something that is coming up as well. Again, with taking steps, whatever you want to achieve, you need to put one foot in front of the other. You need to take steps yourself. In certain cases, if you actually want a job in a company that you've been waiting for, you actually should be sending out your CVs as well. So trying something on your own is something that is showing up as well. But again, this really highlights the importance of independent businesses. Okay, so if you want to start your own business, the next 6 to 7 months are actually going to be very, very ideal for you. So please make sure you are taking concrete steps towards them. Again, let me tell you, business opportunities will show up, and especially somebody else assisting you with your business is also a possibility. And look at that, like I was telling you, financially things are really going to improve for you because your career area is getting very, very strengthened. So it is abundance all the way. Slowly and surely you are making progress towards the direction that you want to head. Okay, the past is behind you and the future looks really, really promising. Just ensure that if great opportunities show up, don't second guess yourself, don't think twice, just go for it. That is what I'm going to tell you, because now is not the time to sort of play it safe. Take certain risk is what I'm going to tell you. Either way, that is what is in store for you when it comes to your career. I wish you the very, very best. And once you have like the wish fulfillment aspect coming true, do go back to the video and tell me when it happened and what happened for you. Okay, I'm just gonna say congratulations in advance, because I believe in you guys and I know that no matter what, you guys are always, always, always going to succeed. My best wishes are with you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've picked pile 2, then this is what's coming up next for you in terms of your career. Firstly, we will take a look at your tarot cards and then we'll take your oracles. So you have the 10 of cups, you have lovers, you have ace of pentacles, you have 8 of pentacles, and you have the 8 of wands. All right. So first of all, there is a new beginning for you, okay? So there is a possibility in especially the next 6 to 8 months that you will actually be changing your job, okay? This will be a new place of work entirely. In fact, in certain cases, it will also come with a salary rise, okay? That is very much possible. But of course, it can also be that you may receive a promotion at work, especially with the 10 of cups, that is very likely. But there is also something that you're celebrating, okay? This can actually be in terms of like an achievement. Of course, in certain cases, this can also be like passing of an examination, which brings you a lot of happiness. But otherwise, that new job, especially if that is something that you're looking for, that is very likely for you. But what is going to happen for you, pile 2, is your work is going to be something that you really enjoy, okay? It brings you a lot of joy, it brings you a lot of fulfillment. So especially in the upcoming days, your career will actually be in area where you'll be really happy and fulfilled in. And honestly, telling you that is bringing me the greatest amount of joy, because career is something we spend so much time in, and especially when you're enjoying something like it, then I'm really happy. Again, there are a lot of choices showing up for you in the next couple of days, so please ensure anytime a choice shows up for you. Example, in cases of 2 jobs, okay, you have 2 jobs offer. Pick one that really makes you happy, that lights up your life, that brings you the greatest amount of joy, because that is something that will really help you in the future as well. Again, there is an aspect of really focusing on your work. So in the upcoming days, you will actually be focusing on getting better at what you do, okay? You will actually be sitting down, working towards it. Your focus is very strong, and your determination is also very strong. In certain cases, it will also mean getting extra information about your area of work. This can actually be learning from a mentor, learning from a colleague, but that aspect of learning is extremely strong here, okay? That is very much a possibility. But again, financially, like because of your career, your financial position is also getting very strong. In fact, for a couple of you, there is also a possibility that because of your career progression, your finances will become so strong that you'll actually think about investing in a new home, in a new vehicle, or something of a significant value, okay? Because investment, like lot of money coming in, is something that I'm really seeing here, especially for people who've been waiting for job offers. Like you've applied to a particular place and you're waiting for an offer, so that letter is also very much coming towards you. Keep an eye open when it comes to your emails, okay? Because receiving communications, receiving written letters is very much on the cards for you. Again, there is also a possibility of certain documentation that you'll be take up, okay? So for a couple of you, this can actually be, getting a loan for a new business that you want to start, or just putting down the papers for something. Maybe you lease a shop, you lease like an apartment where you will be working full time. That paperwork is also very much on the cards. All right, let us look into clarifications with your oracle cards. Now your oracles are telling you that you need to set the bar higher. So there is a possibility for you, pile 2, that you're settling slightly in your career slightly, okay? So there is a possibility that maybe you deserve a lot more than what you're getting right now, okay? So please make sure, if that is something that you feel is happening with you, you walk into your boss's cabin and you discuss it with them, or you ask for a salary rise, because that is something you need to be doing. And again, if that is not a possibility where you're currently working, maybe it is time to move to a different place, because clearly your potential is not, your earning potential is lot. So please don't settle, okay? Set your sights higher. You need to aim for higher things. Your capacity is incredible, pile 2. Always remember that, okay? The other thing for you that is coming up is realization. Probably you will sort of come to an understanding of what is working when it comes to your career and what is not working. And because you've reached that understanding, you've come to the realization, it is almost like a key for you. It's a key for future doors to open, is what I'm getting here, okay? So especially for people who've been trying to pass an examination and have been unable to do so, finally you'll understand where you've been going wrong, okay? that is also very much on the cards for you, but that clarity is what you're very much getting. Again, you have the aspect of a teacher, like I was telling you, with the Eight of Pentacles, you're really focusing on your work, you're learning something. So learning from a teacher, like actually going back to university, taking a part-time lesson, is very much likely. In certain cases, this can actually be learning from a mentor, learning from somebody who is actually available to teach you, because this person clearly has a huge amount of knowledge in your area of work, and he's also, or she in that, in fact, is willing to help you out, is what I'm getting up. And maybe because of the help of somebody, you'll finally get the clarity, and the path ahead becomes much more clearer, is also on the cards for you. Again, you see clearly now. So in the future, firstly, your vision is becoming very clear. What do you want from your work area? How you want to achieve it? Where you want to end up 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now? Things are getting clear for you. In certain cases, this can actually also mean getting hidden knowledge about something, like something that was hidden from you is finally coming to light, and you finally understanding things. Okay, that is also very much on the likely. Again, a couple of announcements are also likely to reach you. This can be from your company, like getting a letter from your company with a raise, again very much likely with the 10 of cups. But be on the lookout for communication, because that important letter is the key to making things happen for you. Okay, either way, keep working on yourself, keep working on increasing your skills, keep working on getting better, because as you get better, your career will progress automatically, because the road is clear for you, is what I see. And finally, if I have to leave you with something, do what you love, do it in a way that makes you happy, because in the end, that is the way to succeed. Alright, so those are your messages when it comes to your career. I wish you the very, very, very best. I believe in you, and I'm counting on you to make wonderful things happen in your work area. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've chosen pile 3, then this is what's coming up next for you in terms of your career. So firstly, we will take up your tarot cards, and then we'll go towards your oracles. So you have the card of Judgment, you have 9 of Wands, you have 2 of Pentacles, you have 2 of Wands, and you have the Magician. Okay, very interesting. First of all, pile 3, I see you guys heading in an entirely different area. Okay, so what is essentially happening here is you are doing a lot of reflection. You're thinking a lot about what you want to do with your life, how you want to proceed, where you want to end up, and because of this reflection, you are finally deciding, okay, this is what I want, and this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so there is a big possibility for a lot of you, you may actually completely change your area of work, very much likely. In certain cases, this can actually be leaving one place, like physically leaving one place and moving to another, very, very likely for you. But again, what is happening is you are also taking up additional responsibilities. So maybe you are figuring out that whatever it is that you want to do next, you want to do it at a much more quicker rate. In fact, what I'm seeing here is maybe financially you have a couple of goals for yourself, and in order to meet those financial goals, you are willing to work extra hard. So in certain cases, can actually be having 2 jobs. Okay, one can be a full-time job, and the second can be like a part-time income. But either way, you're balancing too many things. In certain cases, this can also be working part-time, learning part-time, and again doing something like a hobby on the part-time. So a lot of work is something that you're going to be taking up. But also you have this huge desire to change things, like you're probably slightly bored where you are, or probably things are not really making you happy, they're not making you excited, and as a result you'll finally decide to take matters in your own hand and then manifest a kind of work that is suitable very much to your own liking. Let me tell you, I'm getting a very, very strong entrepreneurial vibe here. Having your own business, having a home-based business, or in fact having 2 things. Like one is something that you'll go to office and do it, and second, you'll be sitting at home and doing it. Okay, so multiple things is something that I see you guys doing. Definitely very talented people, my pile 3, and that is something I always know about you. One thing that's coming out very strongly is you're not ready to give up. It's like you're working hard towards something. You are willing to give your 100, your 1000% to everything that you believe in. And because of it, because of this drive that you have, because of this determination you have, you are going to succeed. And in a way, you also have the card of the Magician, powerful manifestors. That is something I always believe in. So you have the tools that are necessary, you have the resources that you want to make anything happen for you. Okay, so this is not about waiting for opportunities to come to you. This is about you going in search of opportunities. In certain cases, this can actually be creating your own opportunities. Okay, so even in places where you don't have openings, you will probably just walk into the office, introduce yourself and tell them that you're wanting to work for this place, and just really you're putting yourself in the driver's seat is what I'm getting here. Again, this actually talks about having a vision board. So there is a possibility you may actually sit down in the next few days, especially with the new moon energy that is coming in very strongly, and you may decide to create a new vision board for yourself. Again, like I said, you've done a lot of reflection, so you're gaining a lot of clarity here. So the picture that you have in your mind towards your future life is something that is rapidly changing is what I'm seeing, and because of which you will realize that you have to manifest newer things for you. Again, digital working, at home working, working from any part of the country, any part of the world is very much on the cards for you. Again, that aspect of travel is very much there. So especially for people who are into travel fields, marketing fields, I see excellent times coming for you. For people into the field of education, you would need to work slightly harder in order to get what you want to get here. Okay, again, you have the card of the trader. What will make you different from other people? This will be, probably speaking a foreign language, probably having like a marketing course done, probably having an extra MBA, having an extra degree. There is something extra that you are doing and something extra that you're giving to your employers, to people who are, coming towards you with work. And because of that extra thing that you give, people will actually be more attracted to you. Opportunities will really come your way. Okay, so think about what extra you can do other than what you're already doing. Yeah, again, okay, this is brilliant. You are entering the cycle of increase. So the cycle of increase is, no matter what you do, no matter how many steps you take, you are going to keep making progress. So one step at a time, 2 steps at a time, you are walking forward, but you are walking forward towards progress. I don't really see anything negative at all, because the next cycle for you is absolutely one of growth, absolutely one of abundance. That is what is showing up. Again, you have the card of the stag, which talks about taking the lead. And like I was telling you before, this is not about you waiting on the sidelines. This is about you creating opportunities where opportunities did not exist in the first place. Okay, you're taking the lead. In certain cases, this can actually be, getting a promotion and actually being in the role of the leader, like really taking the lead. Even if you don't have the position of the leader, you will sort of take up the responsibility of being the best, of giving your best, and as a result, everything that you do will actually be recognized a lot more. Like, you'll actually stand out for what you do and what you bring to the table of your employer. That is what is coming forth for you. And again, the last card for you is that of hunger. So basically, for you, especially because you have the cycle of increase, no matter how much you achieve, you will still feel like it is not enough. You still have a lot of milestones to achieve. You still have mountains to climb. You still have layers and layers of success to have, okay? So basically, no matter how much success you get, you will still be hungry for more. You will not, wait on the sidelines till you are the alpha of the pack. You want to be number one and you want to be number one. There is no number two, there is no number three for you. you have the drive. The drive is something that is really standing forth strongly, and you're willing to do anything that it takes, and it's paying off. It's paying off, because honestly, mad respect to you guys, pile 3, because the kind of effort I see here that you're already putting in, and the willingness you have to put in, I am not surprised that the cycle you find yourself in is absolutely one of increase. Brilliant things are waiting for you. Just think about what extra you can give to your employer, to people who actually hire your services, because that extra thing, that little bit of a more that you give that others don't, is what is going to set you apart from the rest. Overall, that is your reading when it comes to your career. I wish you the very best. In fact, I will tell you, pile 3, you don't even need my best wishes, because your future looks really good. You're working hard, and I am so proud of you. So very proud. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.